How do I change or add list owners in LISTSERV? To change or add list owners, click on List Configuration under the List Management menu and locate a keyword named Owner. Click on this keyword to open a screen showing all of the list owner options. Then simply enter the email addresses of the list owners that you want to add, one address per line, followed by Update. You can also change existing list owners if you want. Quiet list owners have the same privileges as non-quiet ones, except that they don't receive any error messages or other administrative mail from LISTSERV. Note that every list must have at least one non-quiet list owner. Thank you for watching.